If you're ready to leave the United States and you need to make money outside of the United States, I believe that this is one of the most gate-kept solutions to be able to travel, go wherever you want, and work online. I just feel like that information is always given in just small little pieces here and there with no detail. So what I want to do for this video is to actually walk you through how you can start working for yourself and making money online. I'm not affiliated with anyone. I don't get kickbacks on anything. Like, I don't make money doing this content at all. Cody and I have been traveling the world for 2.5 years, but we've been working online and for ourselves for almost 5 years. We currently use the Upwork platform, but there are a lot of platforms similar. I think Upwork is probably the biggest and most stable at this time right now. I've also seen comments come in that are like, it's hard to actually get work on Upwork, or the comments are, my background is in retail, or my background is in something that I don't even think I can do, I can work online. I'm gonna tell you my background, Cody's background, how we transitioned, and it's totally plausible no matter your background. The thing is, with online work and Upwork specifically, you have these contracts. They will say exactly what they need and what they're looking for. And a lot of times they want experience, someone with experience working in certain types of programs. All of these programs usually have free certificates, free YouTube videos. You can go online and learn a lot of this stuff yourself, practice it on your own, and then have the confidence to apply to these contracts. It's not really fake it till you make it. It's more like learn what you need to know and then apply to these jobs and be honest with them. When you're first starting out on Upwork, it is going to be slow. You do have to pay for connects. Having to pay to apply to jobs is a way to show that you're serious about that work or about that contract. I'm not saying that Upwork is the only way to make money online. Obviously, there's a lot of ways to do it. You can have an online business. You can do drop shipping. You can do wholesale. You can do a bunch of different things. But if you're just looking to come from a background that's not a specified field, like if you were in retail, customer service, management, anything that doesn't seem like it translates over, I think this is a good stepping stone, because you can get a lot of just admin, data entry, small jobs on Upwork. Start small, take the lower pay for a little bit, get a good review, and then each job, go a little bit higher. I started out making less than what I was making as a manager, but then I built it up, and now I was making triple what I was earning as a manager of a spa. So it's totally possible. And I don't have to do half the work that I had to do as a manager, being on call, dealing with people, etc., etc. You can find companies that pay well for you to do a great job. Like, it's such a different working atmosphere. You are technically an independent contractor, but a lot of these contracts, like, you're obviously working for someone, but with them at the same time because they don't employ you. But it's a lot like just having a regular job. We do hourly contracts on Upwork, which means there's a little tracker. You clock in, and it tracks your hours. It takes random screenshots. If you happen to have something open at the time, you can delete that screenshot. It'll just delete that time that you were clocked in. Like, it's a very friendly